dagat. Ang AFP-MPAI po ay celebrate ng 60th founding anniversary ngayong taon nito. And ito ay isa sa mga activities na ginagawa natin in commemoration of the 60th anniversary. Itong nagagawa natin ngayong umaga nito, this is not simply a run. We are supporting our nature, our natural resource, yung mga reefs natin sa ating karagatan. Kaya pag tumakbo kayo, isipin ninyo na hindi lamang po ang ginagawa natin ay para sa kalusugan ninyo, but this is also for our nature. Because we have to take care of nature so that Mother Nature will take care of us. So, gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung mga organizers natin. I would like to recognize yung AFP-MPAI management. Palakpan po natin ang management natin. And of course, yung mga board of trustees natin. Palakpan po natin. So, ladies and gentlemen, hindi ko na po pagkakagaling ko, hindi ko na binasa yung ating speech. Dahil malapit na lumabas ang haring araw. So, I would like everyone to just enjoy the run, but please, be careful. Mainit ngayon, kaya please hydrate. Hydrate para hindi tayo ma-heat stroke. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again, and enjoy the run.